Oftentimes, students go through school with a single goal in mind: obtain their certificates with good grades. Which is good, I must say. But why settle for less when you can have more? Why focus only on grades when you could get a lot more from your teachers? To get the most out of them, here are a few tips worth applying. Learn to listen and pay attention to what they have to say. It's a sign of interest and respect. Teachers often share knowledge not only related to the lesson, but to life in general. Paying attention helps you not only to benefit from this, but equally to develop your listening skills. Listening is one of the top soft skills necessary for your career and personal relationships. Asking questions shows how keen and attentive you are to all that the teacher has to offer. It's an opportunity to get more explanations and information beyond the scope of the lectures. To ask meaningful questions, you must study extensively. Not just limiting yourself to the lectures, but doing research to complement what you have. Ask questions that will help you to contextualize the concepts you learn in class. Don't just be exam-oriented without knowing how useful the concepts are or how they could be applied in the real world. Is it useful for your future career? Can it be applied in your community? Knowledge becomes valuable only when put in the proper context. Being nice and caring must not always be from the teacher to the student. Every person loves to have someone check up on them occasionally. Simply engaging in small talk with your teachers could get them to open up and share their knowledge and experiences, which they normally wouldn't do in class. Definitely beneficial to you. Why not check out the art of small talk to learn all about the rules of casual conversations? Being friendly also exposes you to new contacts, thus expanding your network. Your teachers are probably connected and could recommend you when necessary. Can you recommend a stranger? Hardly. Creating that bond gives you an advantage. Once any opportunity comes up, be it a scholarship, internship, or job, you will be the first they'll think about. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed this video, which I'm sure you did, why not like and share with your friends for them to benefit? Feel free to equally share additional tips in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe.